Kumasi Asante Kotoko striker Dogo Yakubu is in town. As I say, all is set. Say obe feature for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now striker no and after say Kotoko sign on. There are a whole lot of commentaries going around, especially Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters are reacting towards Dogo Yakubu signing and Kumasi Asante Kotoko are signing, because coming from Division 2 side now, it raises some eyebrows. Yes, obviously, no confirmation by no not supporters no emu check akra. Ebi say is a good talent and a Kotoko as sporting. And I be so say yankofa top class, yankofa yankofa top class about in this period who say I'm working. The yankofa top class in common, and also to the be a biani yankofa world class ness our top class ness ayoma. Let's give a try for Dogo. You name Dogo transfer fee, perhaps Kotoko, Emma Port City no be 50,000 Ghana be. Yes, and a Omanji. And a player no or the about dream team Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the quasi discouraging Ukraine. There are some antecedents. Yes, there's an antecedent a towards Eric Bekoe, a choir of also about Kotoko. Eric Bekoe free ofre yiba Kotoko no. Now on sheda any player or establisher. Yes. But Eric Bekoe by and will be proved say obey me about Kotoko. But Kotoko, Azeuka Kotoko, one of Kotoko, best strikers at Kotoko, enya untimi emonda Eric Bekoe. Now, surprisingly, yes, and as a coincidentally, this particular player I can want to me Dogo Mohammed, and as a Dogo Yakubu no, or also ever say Eric Bekoe Jessia, na Bekoe Eshama Kotoko, which is 42 no. And Dogo Eba Ebeshe Amakumasi Asante Kotoko. Correlation a woman the breakdown in no ebe bro e Ampachawaha a super 2040. Unsubscribe here wadarama. No I hit the rest subscribe button know about the man also. Then you build it together. Information be bring the we as but has say you make sure say you filter news no. Now the very best ones are it deserves to be heard, the Eshia Ewo Super no so me patch on subscribe. Na yenko ye ne bo be join Kotoko reaction also 0247 107260 0247 107260 or WhatsApp ya be do beto so na nkomodie no ya fan from there afi ye hia sponsors kakra opesa uton wadwa to de hu dawro ewo ha obetimi afa me number no na oni madi nkomo ewo Super no so yes sa enye ade bia nso na opesa uton na opesa so ya se a we are welcome. We'll be very grateful for that, because this year moving Yoma to a different level. Cry a being capital injection. But what I say, young Kotian Habamra, Ninano, and one Issaka. Yes, and see Madaroma, Mamo hair, a chichine, a chinia, Dinina, an open source sponsor. You can just get in touch with me. Number 0247 107260. Now, we're on board to be our sponsors. Send your bear, they be able so at the Kotoko, Semble in Chichimuno, Abro, Eufia. The patrol any date, 13th of January 2026, the year of our Lord. Let's quickly take this message as a light for our path and then now do not be bitter, but be a better person from any situation you encounter. Situation be our Bekombiano. Do not make the situation, or do not let the situation make you bitter. Say kase bitter obi a odi yaw na adwembone na efi hate abehye na komam. Bibia wokom bia no, saa de krona wokom no should make you more better person. And ma saa de na wokom no experience na wokom, no matter how painful it is, no manenye better person for you, so that so obi ko bi mu a obenya temama no, so that obesua de afrim said e be ya obi nsumkum. But a situation nya wo better, so the be chono. For instance, you know mai bia o na moy e na fear men, all men are the same, all men are the same. Kwasia all men they are the same. All men be makro na sebi wakote wakoma wakotro go say all men are the same no. Sa be makro no. Wo se ono papa nyina yepe. Sa wo papa nso ye be ma. Enti sebi saa nkwase akasa no mete se man bi ka aya na me ya say all men are the same, all men are the same. All men cannot be the same, but when also usua there na situation na ukom, you have to learn from it. The situation shouldn't make you bitter. The situation shouldn't make you hateful. The situation should make you more humble person and more understanding so that you learn from it. So what I say? Now the bibi to ana ade na ato no ama why more bitter. Master, oh papa, you are not ready to learn. You are not ready to learn. So do not let situations make you better, but make situation make you a better person. This is the message for our life for and then super no so yamfa enante na yanko yani mafi yanko ensemno hasu folk nano no te goalkeeper Solomon Agbazi, and then the main one which is goalkeeper yes, goalkeeper. The has first choice goalkeeper. I'm say omo hun sensem bebre aba Benjamin Asare and Solomon Agbazi e hun sensem no. Now, information I say can say Sa Solomon Agbazi no kra no or signed just a year with Accra House of Folk, just a season with House of Folk. And I don't know, Sahas for sign or man check here who said player near play or bit my boy House of Folk. And I said no money ni mu GDA, umo be 1 year contract. What it means, they say as a owner only GDA will. So has a man 1 year. So at the end of this year, the contract no with House of Folk a very. And I'm told say House of Folk transfer ban still that's what also. And in this situation, I don't know whether they can extend the contract now and say a player no will have to leave just like that. With the Asante Kotoko, mumma money back on now because at the end of the season, Kamara Kotoko maybe who is a Kotoko and said any goalkeeping problems are. But still be our good goalkeepers and so a wow. Yes. And the Kotoko beats me at being any back because Solomon Agbazi is a fine keeper. He's a fine keeper. And the information in Kramen is on the Kotoko coach currently. They are very, very, very close. Because Tamana, Coach Abdul Zito, our Dreams FC, no. Satamano, Agbasina net them for the CAF Confederation Cup or Mubukudu semi final. Oh, they make sure. It's the end Yamma say a free this first round here, close window now, but the season a baby na Abdul Zito let us walk Kotoko. And Yamma say, Obit me Akobos Apollo, so obeying Solomon Agbazi after Kamara a free Kotoko. Solomon Agbazi could be heading the way to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This is a small research workup I conduct and your official idea, but super idea was in 70 ABCC. You will a dosuko in your dear banner at the idea. Afi, the free player be Sevagno, no Obobo on Seattle mind. Side player away at a point in time, not Kotoko Pelo, but boys, we would to move for Munti. Player no. Usually team ninya guye no agent for the neko abuchi. But was back to Ghana. See waba back to Ghana no. Was Sayama Adriana Football Club. It comes back to the point at the BI say. Hey, more players no. Agent for no omo mislead him. And then Sevagno waba back to the Ghana Premier League to have a stand with Adriana Football Club. But Tamana Kotoko Pelo no and na see. But at the end of the day, Abuchi Hono, the be a man become as say, Una Nabian fee, our Abuchi ho, so the Mechono, Una Nancy fee or Abuchi, see, where Abuchi no qua obeba. So, okay, and 1 year cry, no my old bassa, and no massa to Abagana, as see Adriana, but Yabe will show all the best. Players are more channel and motivate to move for. They say it's our Bobo Ghana Unya correct football club now you're consistent. Only problem. Yes. Ghana football Kotoko Emuna Omo Yenioma Basa or Ghana in terms of your local football. Kotoko say Oko Kafa or rise so well in terms of on one personal development near the or con anymore calf or the that committees be brace work but Obefi Ghana football no where you need. And na focus and then I bring in our Black Stars. Na sano ye na. Say bi na nyante chi ye ya na amanfo koye agenda omokutwa yi announce then omo plot against him. Young will say that for Kotoko, but Kotoko, Emma Nani, Emma Ghana football also, because Ghana football, Ebekon and Black Stars, it is the Kotoko has, it is the Ghana Premier League. Ghana Premier League, to me, it is the biggest product of Ghana football, because another week in, week out, Biano, yeah, Bobo, na months Biano, ye chiank of worker. But Blaster Bebo 3 months, Blaster Bebo high. But no so na sika ni nyina akodi. Nti se sika bebrebe a omodi wura Black Stars munyim. Omodi kakra e be wura Ghana Premier League ma. Mo gidi se Ghana football no ebekọ nanim pa. Right now Ghana Premier League no akoye nipa kakra bi na di akire. Buza won say adentia because of lack of investment, because of lack of respect. Asem we dey bia meka Ghana football, Ghana say ball na aye ball no. Omo ye ball no. Ghana football, the organizers of Ghana football and teams no so can. They don't respect the supporters. American anymore. American anim pa. And right, me so say Barcelona ne ngofo no Real Madrid ball no hwe bi. Ohe English Premier League no. Supporters na omo be hwe ball no. Maybe omo be hwe ball no. Omo take comfortable place. Ewianhye omo betena awiem enne mmeremani bia ba yenkotena awiem nhwe ball obi atwie ska not less than 50 Ghana cedis the transportation so kan okra na chese enkobe 100 no wa stadium so be hebo a na wo de neti awiem or you exposed to the weather or you exposed to the rain or you exposed to the sun. So Kroma say no nipa respective football supporters. Do you understand? They don't respect the football supporters. How can it be? How can we use this to develop our football? At least in the stadium there, baby a supporter and better so her ball. It should be covered. It should be covered. Hey, almost sorry, almost Ghana football no. Nipa no. Yes, I do wait until supporters na respect. So when I walk, say supporters in better supporters in better assume her ball. And they all around the world. Baby, football course. Support a stadium insuo to we abo on fa ho because baby o no e covered enu nti a mame twa adwen sis azemu enu nti a tembia no matter boy e bono baba ya abo se VIP why ma because VIP on ni party o he boy wiambo no insuo nto no insuo bia mo no so insuo mo no awiambo no enti tembia won se oho na ye ma but central line e pole achi ni ho ahwan no Obi enjoy the family, Obi enjoy the comfort of the home. Embetena stadium say oba betena awiem and I say nsuo. Osi ombe ball bi wa ball no so ense da anye ball papa bia. Ball papa nso wo fie. Nipa ye ball papa e wo fie. Nipa ye. Enti Ghana football for no. Our biggest problem enye players ne ade nko an enye coaches nko an but esoro ho no young respected football supporters. We don't respect football supporters. At say Nancy December shows here man for Kukwe. Obi akọ shows or ko show at least baby or we cheska. So enye free we cheska so ba be hard na at least also bet na baby obey comfortable. Na oti awiem na oti nsuo. Enne hefa na obi bobo abuja di party awiem ti nsuo. Ede enko. Sa tete example no atwam tete na bibia ni ho enti Kotoko bobo kra awiem kra passion no de beba be but enne there are so many competition enkra ne TikTok enkra ne WhatsApp na no what WhatsApp or defi or dan impem scrolling no WhatsApp no onjai no fam bet na awiem no hwebo but oye stadium oye na bibia is on point bibia is on point about comfortability ote ho awia mono nsuo nto nsuo bia mono wo se ebe encourage the pa man the private na stadium ahebo so re mecho no we nyina no yenye na ya adwen wo blaster ade new Kotoko striker Dogo Yakubu say opportunity awanya no enye opportunity keteketo a enti obehwe say obehye no ho animonyam with Kotoko ode Kotoko beji ni din no nso di obe ya abo Kotoko bia no waya abo Kotoko onze Dogo no eno na make catch say the qualities no atitiri ball movement no or good and our pace and the finishing no so fantastic superb and only the qualities no but and right sign the way no asante Kotoko reaction no so na man for say omo ntiase say Kotoko Issaka Abdul loan odo kra the division 1 ya ankofa na amba na yakofa division 2 player intina Kotoko supporters ni bi adwa but me chichi mu ma omo say wo the Issaka de no still now we player or a bona fide until at the end of the season kra na yebekwa akofa na ba ya sa sport you bi o ye good a mum ye massa nipa no so chance Issaka ne de o ye de adada because enra no na amount for bo afu pan say Issaka wo ho a adida akofa division 2 player but I think say enra it me do akoma until
yeah isa wo chenda butini obi ho she abuti baby ada place abotri baby there we go say support test any press ne classes be cause ya form ojuma
abotri bi enu
travel ko fia 20 Ghana and 50 Ghana ade ko hwe no na we na obon kwase abo na da re ho be we kun chance hwe wono abodro gani jiag e me hu ne se
enti nana
mystery awo player we are or share goals sama junior team no what the player na ma
Issaka
one side of Go United so mo
Issaka Abdul na nana ya ka no asemi
won fa ne mo bo na say o be fa another player aben the channel man development I don't know for player we ma back now manage that development no player no share more goals no what the no mo no Eko efeni say Go United no division 1 wakofa academy team player no division 1 so no mo Kotoko
abotre
masa they are here who they ready for development and whatever for future but for future then I won't find player no won't so yeah they no man that exposure normal na player we no what na come ko no akofo bi no academy no division 1 bi no e de na ba masa they say second round signings they are McKinsey signings o signing na sabi o sign it me dim konim na nya just o ba na be develop you bi
ya asemo nana ya so point or raise no but kakra bi abere beti maka ne say Issaka Abdul no me kra na me pushi so ombra na emum no say no oye Kotoko bona fide property at any point in time obeti masaba but we dey yakoto na beka ho I think say mama yentiase on that regard and what do you think?